kay Senator Bato.
Yes, okay.
I'll tell you that para hindi confusing, then I'll tell you about the reports sa nangyari. So far, what the updates is regarding the attack on the Senate last night, no, the armed attack on the Senate. So, around, let me check my phone. So, tinawagan ako ni Senator Jinggoy ng around 1:27 to tell me na he doesn't think Senator Bato's in the building.
Ano, sir?
At after lunch, mga 1:27, tinawagan ako ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada to say, SP, wala na si Senator Bato sa Senate. So I checked and asked my Chief of Staff to ask the Sergeant at Arms for a report. So may spot report pala talaga siya. I can read it to you. Ito na yung spot report. And then right before, when I came in, di ba, when I saw you guys, sinabi ko na rin, ay sorry, hindi 1:27, miss call niya pala yon. So,
27 ngayon, today pala.
yeah, around,
27.
basta around lunchtime na ako tinawagan ni Senator Jinggoy.